Searching for genuine ways to make extra cash online? Discover a legit survey site that pays you for sharing your opinion. In this video, we unveil a free platform for earning rewards through cash surveys that can be directly deposited into your PayPal account. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your opinions into real money. Watch now and start earning today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our awesome videos. We're always dropping cool and effective ways to make money online, no matter where you are in the world. We'd love to know where you're tuning in from, so drop a comment below with your country. That way, we can tailor some content just for your region. Alright, let's get started. Want to make money while chilling on your couch? Join in on some fun online surveys, share your thoughts, and make some extra cash while you're at it. Cinchdollars is a cool survey site where you can earn rewards just by answering surveys. It's an easy way to make some extra cash while sharing your opinions. Cinchdollars surveys are super quick and easy to squeeze into your day. Surveys usually take just 2 to 15 minutes, making them super easy to squeeze into your day. Whether you're killing time on your commute or taking a quick break, they're a breeze to complete. Surveys touch on all sorts of stuff and brands, like your thoughts on the food you eat or those must-have items for a holiday. It's your take on everyday things that really matters, so they'll actually pay you for sharing what you think. How much you earn depends on the survey's length and type, with payments ranging from 40 cents to $10 or more. Plus, since you can cash out through PayPal once you hit $8, it's super easy to make a bit of extra money. Imagine turning those spare minutes into real cash, buying that new game, treating yourself to coffee, or saving up for something special. Join the community of savvy earners who've discovered a fun and easy way to boost their income without much effort. Ready to start earning? Sign up for Cinchdollars today and get your first reward fast. Don't miss out. Your opinions are worth money. Before we finish up, I'd really like to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, show some love by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.